Look at you. I said that girl was staring at you seriously. She was gone. Seriously.
No, I don't think I noticed it.
How will you notice when your eyes are always one way? Huh? No. You are the most handsome man she has seen in a long time. If I were not there, that girl would have licked your face.
Mommy. No, I don't think so, Mommy.
Oh, you think I'm lying? Okay, let's go back and confirm then.
No, Mommy.
That cashier was crazy about you.
The thing is, if she wanted my number or anything, she could have gotten it.
Do women do that? Women should come and start asking you for your number. What are you feeling like?
Like, why is it only a guy that do that?
Yes, it's men that do it.
No.
Better go to your cashier wife and collect her number.
Mommy.
Oh my God.
Jesus.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
I'm so sorry, please. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, please.
Are you mad? Are you blind?
I'm sorry, my...
Is your brain working?
I'm so sorry. I wasn't paying attention. I didn't see you.
Oh, you didn't see the car coming?
Oh,
can you see me?
Yes, ma.
Can you see my hand?
Yes, ma.
Mommy, it's okay. Calm down.
What is it?
Mommy, it's okay.
Jaden, leave me alone.
It's okay.
Leave me alone. Whoever sent you after us, tell them that you did not see us. Look at this blood-sucking demon.
Mommy, thank God nobody got hurt.
Jaden, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
She has already apologized.
You want to kill us. You want to kill us because of this. This rubbish. This cheap disease-giving snacks.
Huh? Let's just go.
Jaden,
thank God there's no damage. She's fine and nobody's hurt. Be careful next time. What's that about?
What? Folake, get me some water to drink. Folake, pick the bags from Jaden. Take them to the kitchen. Why are you so upset?
Mommy, I don't appreciate how you spoke to that lady. She was already pretty shaken up and you were very harsh on her.
I just wanted to ensure that she understood the gravity of the situation. It could have turned out very badly for everyone.
Yes, I get that, Mommy, but you didn't have to make her feel worse than she already did.
Jaden, I am your mother, and I care about our safety. I know that I handled the situation appropriately. Look, I'm very sure that from now on she'll be careful. Trust me.
Mommy, I feel there's a better way to show your concern without making her feel like the worst person in the world. She admitted her fault and even apologized.
Why are we still talking about this girl? Don't we have better things to do with our time?
Mom,
Jaden, it's enough, please. Let it go. Mira, what happened? Talk to me, my dear. What's the problem?
You know that new construction site now? I went to go and sell snacks there. As I was coming out, I almost got hit by a car.
Oh my goodness.
Mommy, it was my fault. I didn't look before I crossed.
Are you okay? Or are you hurt?
No, the car didn't really hit me.
Are you sure, my daughter? Or if there's any other thing, talk to me.
The woman in the car slapped me.
What? Why would she lay her hands on you? Huh? Do you know who she is or where she lives?
Mommy, it's okay, please calm down. There's no need to make a fuss out of it. I said it was my fault, please.
Why would she hit you? Huh?
I don't know. Doesn't matter, please.
It will never be well with her for laying her hands on my daughter. Yes.
Mommy, I said I'm fine. I'll just take painkillers or something.
Sorry, my daughter.
Nera, my beautiful daughter, I'm really glad you're still here. Can you spare me?
Which change? Which change did you keep with her?
Woman, I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to my beautiful daughter, the one eye that the blind man uses to see.
Daddy, please, I don't have any money for you.
My daughter, go inside and rest,
I just want to buy medicine.
Which medicine? Oh, you want to go and buy ogogoro and drink with those your stupid friends?
Hey, my friends are not stupid. They are therapy.
Therapy? When has ogogoro turned to therapy?
Hey, those people are better than human therapy. And it's in your best interest.
Look at you. Instead of you to give us money in this house to eat, it's only ogogoro everywhere you go with your friends, stupid set of people.
That's enough.
Look at you.
If you don't want to give me and she doesn't want to give me, I can borrow.
Go and borrow. Look at him. Look at him. Borrow to drink. He will never borrow for us to buy food in the house. My daughter, sorry for today, sorry.
Have you informed Jaden that food is ready? Did you speak with your auntie?
Yes, I did.
I hope she's doing good.
Yes.
Are you still angry?
No, I'm not, Mommy.
What exactly is it about this peasant that's got you all bothered?
How can you even call her that when you don't even know her?
But I asked you to let this go. What exactly is your problem?
Mommy, I don't have a problem.
You know I don't like it when you're like this.
Mommy, can we just eat in peace?
Thank you for that question. No, we can't eat in peace when your face is like that of a 100-year-old bulldog. Is there anything you'd like to share with us, madam?
Ma?
You heard my question clearly.
No, Ma, I didn't say anything.
Will you disappear from here before I tell this bulldog to bite the mouth off your face? And you, what do I have to do to make you forget about all this?
You can find her and apologize.
What did you say?
Mommy, nothing. Please, let's just eat.
You've gotten so difficult nowadays. No, you teenagers that start.
You see, when you're always talking to... Oh, sorry, Mom, here.
See what you've caused.
Sorry, I'm looking for a young lady that sells snacks.
Okay.
Yeah, she's a bit dark, not too dark, but yeah, she sells snacks around
Why are
here.
you looking for? What's happened? What's happened?
I really need to see her for something.
You look like all those girls, they are no clean. I hope see.
There's nothing bad. I just want to see her for something urgently, yes.
Anyways, the girl, I know her. She dey sell snacks, abi.
You're sure?
I know her.
Okay.
I go help you.
Okay.
We go drop something.
That's not a problem. You're sure you know her place?
Something.
I will. Do you know her house?
I know her.
Okay,
No worry.
let me
Just
get
do that for
something
me.
for you.
Oh yeah, now I gotta go wait. No worry. Wait.
Maria, my favorite person. I've missed you.
I've missed you too, Auntie. I wanted to come here since last week, but we had a church program throughout, so I couldn't.
Oh, I'm sure it went well.
It went well, Auntie. God has been faithful. He has been wonderful. He has been God in my life, Auntie.
Praise God.
Hallelujah, Auntie. I was even talking to Auntie Vicky last night, and I was sharing my testimonies with her. Everything has been turning around for my good. Everything I lay my hands to do just prospers. I don't know how this God does it, too.
What a great God.
He is,
such good news.
He is. I was talking to Auntie Vicky last night about Jaden too, and she mentioned that you wanted him to further his education abroad with her.
Oh yes, since he already has his visa, I'm guessing it to be easier and faster.
But if you ask me, Auntie, I think you shouldn't let him out of your sight just yet. You know, Jaden is still young and he might just get corrupted.
No, don't worry about that. Jaden is not easily influenced. Besides, he hasn't even agreed to go yet. I'm still trying to convince him.
Okay, if you say so, I think if you think that's right for him, then it's fine.
I know that's what's best for him.
Speaking of Jaden, I've not seen him since I arrived. Where is he?
I don't even know where that boy went to. Why is he not back by this time?
All these small boys, eh? If I invite him to a church now, he will not come.
David, there's no more buns today again. It has finished. So tomorrow when I fry, hot one, tell your mommy I will personally bring it to her. Do you hear? Greet her for me, big boy. Are you looking for someone?
Yes, ma. I was told she lives here.
Who?
I don't know her name, but she sells snacks in the streets.
Oh, that will be my daughter Amira.
Okay, ma.
Hope there's no problem.
No, not at all.
Are you sure?
Yes, I just want to see her for something.
Mira! Mira!
Mommy, I'm coming.
Hi.
You.
Hi, I'm Jaden. We met yesterday in the accident. You and my mom had an argument. I don't know if you remember. Do you remember me?
Mira!
What did you do that for?
How dare you show your face here after what you and your mother did to me yesterday?
What? Was it the one the mother slapped you?
Yes, Mommy. He's the one. He almost ran me over and his mother almost choked me to death. Even after I apologized though.
Ma, I came here to apologize. I didn't come here to cause any trouble.
Mira?
You came here to apologize?
Yes, you didn't have to do this.
Really? After your mother insulted and humiliated me, you think your little apology will fix it?
I don't know. At least I'm making an effort. You didn't have to slap me.
Mira, I think you overreacted though. I mean, it's like using a sledgehammer to kill a bush rat. But it's okay.
In any case, I don't want your apology. In fact, I never want to come across you or your mother again. So please leave.
Do you?
Leave!
Go!
Young man. Young man. I want to apologize to you for the way my daughter treated you.
You know,
she can be emotional sometimes. Hmm?
It's not your fault, sir. I honestly appreciate, sir. Thank you, sir.
Do you know of this, right?
Sir?
I mean, does this machine belong to you?
Yes, sir, it is.
You know, young man, from the first time I set eyes on you, I saw a successful young man, enigmatic young man. From the way you walk, the way you talk, the way you're dressed, it just shows you're a successful young man.
Thank you, sir. Well, I manage. Thank you, sir.
Recently, things have been bad. We've had a rough patch. Can you spare?
I actually don't have much cash. Right?
I take transfers. It's a modern world. It's okay. Thank you so much. Thank you,
Yes, sir.
You're a very good young man.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
I think I should
Go ahead. I like your right.
Thank you very much, sir.
How many times will I tell you to dust this place? Huh? So if guests come in now and see dust here, what do you... You can go. Where have you been?
Good evening.
That doesn't answer... What happened?
It's nothing.
Nothing? Who beat you up?
It's just a scratch.
Just a scratch. This is what you're calling a scratch. Eh?
It's nothing. I slipped and fell.
You slipped and fell where and how?
It doesn't matter. I'm alright.
Let me call the doctor.
Mommy, I'm fine. There's no need. Really.
Young man, where have you been?
Mommy, I went to see my friends. I need to go upstairs and relax.
You went to see your friend and you came back with a wound on your face. Eh? What kind of nonsense is this one? Let it not be what I'm thinking, no. You had better explain this to me.
Mommy, you have to calm down now. You have to relax. You can't stress yourself like this.
How will I relax? He promised never to come back late again. But this man, eh?
Mommy, you of all people should know that Daddy never keeps his promises.
Oh my dear wife, you want to destroy my life. Oh my commanding wife, you want to destroy my life. Ho 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 ha ha. I'm back to my family.
Hey, look at the time you are just coming back. No, this man, please don't put me into trouble.
She says trouble. What is the trouble?
I know you are not responsible, but please just try and stay alive and safe. Just because of us, I beg you. Please.
She loves me. She loves me. She loves me. Oh, she loves me. She loves me. She loves
I don't even care about your life anymore. Yes, I am done trying to change you. The only thing there is that we don't have money for burial. That is what I'm just telling you.
Oh, that's so daggering to my heart. Darling, why?
Just pity your daughter. That is all I can tell you. Change! See your father. See. Leave the road for me! Get him.
Sweetheart, help me. Help me.
Okay, this one that you don't buy on my market. God will bless you. Hold on. You don't finish.
You know what go happen say make I go call person wey go pay you come. So you get.
Which one be say make you go call person we go pay me come? Bring the market now, bring the money. You won't go carry my buns do party?
No worry, I will come.
See this guy. Which kind of bad market is this now?
Yeah, this is my Odogun, so you won't pay him. So,
Yeah, just give it to him, okay?
I have it now. Look at me, I'm moving food.
I will settle. Thank
This
you.
is Sito.
It's happy birthday, my
Sit
guy.
like
Yeah. Hey.
You again.
So how much is everything here?
8,500. Please give me my money. I want to leave.
Okay. So I'll make the payment. Yeah. Once you say the word.
I don't understand. What are you saying?
Apologize for slapping me the other day, and I'll pay.
Hey. So that was why you sent that thug after me.
Oh, he's not the thug. It's actually his birthday.
You rich people really think you can get anybody to do anything because you have money, Abi?
Well, I know you're a hustler, and I know how much the money means to you. You could say the word, and I'll pay. Or keep your pride, and I'll just drive off. Yeah, so what's it gonna be?
I'm sorry for slapping you.
Apology accepted. Okay, so let me just make the payment.
Okay.
Type in your account number here. Yeah. So yeah, I'm sure since I've sent it. So since you've sold everything, I'm sure you want to go home and rest. Yeah. So let me just drop you off now.
No, thank you.
Oh, calm down, okay. I'm not a bad guy. I'm trying to make up for what my mom did. So let's put everything behind us, okay? Come on.
Thank you.
Okay, so I can't push it up. Just relax, okay?
Mommy! Mommy, I'm home!
Hey, my daughter.
Mommy, we need to make more snacks. So I've sold everything.
What did you say?
Snack.
That you left home?
Yes, Mommy. A customer came and bought everything.
Hey, that's great.
Yes, Mommy. But yes, there's more to it, Sha. Mommy, too like jeez.
Before call.
Don't worry. Wait now. Let's make snacks first. Then I'll gist you later.
Okay, we are going to make the snacks. But now, I just finished cooking your favorite food. You know what? Just sit here, relax. Let me go and bring food.
Mommy, thank you.
Thank God, oh, we finished everything today on time.
I guess it's not that bad after all.
Thank you. Stressful as usual. Oh, no, I'll just prepare for dinner. Is Jaden in his room?
No, ma, I think he went out earlier.
Did he tell you where he went to?
No, ma.
You can go.
Hi, Mom.
Jaden, I don't like what you've been doing.
What did I do, Mommy?
I know you to be an introvert. And you don't go out except it's very important. But of late, you've just been going out.
Mommy, I've only gone out twice this week.
And once you came back with a busted lip.
Mommy, I told you I fell.
Jaden, you're my only son. I don't want you getting mixed up in anything dangerous.
Mommy, I know. I promise you, I'm not doing anything dangerous. I'm just hanging out and having fun with friends, that's all. I know you love me. There's no way I'll do something to hurt you now.
Are you sure?
I'm sure, Mommy. Alright, yeah. Hope you're fine, Mommy.
I'm fine. Go and get ready for dinner.
Okay. I'm actually tired.
Fine boy, no pimples. Just look at my son.
Mommy.
100% steez. Fine boy. Falake. Yes, ma'am. Set the table.
Mom, good morning.
My crown. I hope you slept well.
Yes, Mommy, I did.
Okay, dear. I'm off to work now.
Okay. Mommy, there's something I want to talk to you about.
Okay, what is it?
I think it's best we sit and talk.
Okay.
So, Mommy, I've been thinking about Dad's company.
What about it?
Okay, so I want to work and I'm ready to take over.
Son, we've spoken about this. Your father's passing was a great loss, but I've taken over as CEO. I want you to focus on your education.
Mommy, there's no need to further my education. I already have enough. I want to work at the company, and anything I need to learn, I'll learn on the job.
Your father wanted you to further your studies, and you're going to do that abroad.
No.
We've talked about this.
Mommy, I don't want to go to America. I want to stay here with you and work at the company.
Your father wanted you to further your education, and you will not disappoint.
Mommy, I'm a grown man, and I'll do what I want to do.
I know, but not this one.
Mommy, if you want me to travel, you would have to tie my hands and my legs, because I'm not going anywhere.
I'll even glue your butt to the plane if need be.
Mommy, I don't even want to have this discussion with you anymore. Like, you always turn things...
Well, I am glad we had this discussion.
Mommy, you're just so annoying.
I love you too.
Are you stalking me?
Of course not. Don't flatter yourself.
Okay, that's a relief.
Yeah. I was actually going to go and eat, right? Do you wanna come?
No, thank you.
You look... Have you eaten today? You look hungry. Yeah. Don't worry about this. Even though today is not my boy's birthday, I'm sure he won't mind eating your snacks, so I'll get everything, okay? Just relax.
Okay.
Just let me help you. Let's stretch it in the car.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much for the food. It was delicious.
You're welcome. Please, and you enjoyed the food.
I wouldn't have ordered that much if I didn't like it now. You know, I've never been to a restaurant that big before.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much. I'll see you later now.
Okay. Hold on. Before you go, I would like to know you more. Yeah, like, are you schooling or work? Like...
Yes, I am in school. I'm in medical school actually on a scholarship.
Medical school? Wow, that's impressive. I wouldn't have guessed.
Why? Because I hug snacks?
No, not that.
It's fine, Jaden. It's fine. I get that a lot. People don't expect me to be in medical school.
That's really nice. But aren't there like other jobs for a beautiful and educated girl like you to do, like apart from hawking?
Well, this is my mother's business actually, and I just help her on the weekends, whenever I'm free. But I do have a job. I work remotely on the side.
Oh wow, that's really amazing.
Thank you.
I would like to assist and help in any way I can, if you would let me.
How about you, Jaden? I'm sure there's more to this rich, arrogant young man.
You are going to drink again.
Mama Mira, I am not just going to drink. I sell ogogoro and I drink ogogoro. What is the problem? That is what you like, and that is why I'm still young like this.
I'm not arrogant.
Yes, you are.
Hey, Mama Mira, I'm going again.
I'll see you later.
I sell. That's why I'm looking younger. That's why you love me.
Good afternoon, Daddy.
The one eye that the blind man uses to see. My beautiful daughter.
Yes, Daddy.
My boy. Good to meet you again.
Same here, sir.
I can see that you are my daughter.
No, he was just about leaving.
Eh.
Yes, Daddy.
It's okay. My boy, this is weekend. I'm going to my usual shop.
Mira.
That's why I like you. I didn't even say anything you understood. Coded. Coded.
Where are you heading to? Maybe I can drop you off.
This is weekend and I'm going to my Ogogoro shop where I'm meeting the boys.
It's understandable, sir. So let me just quickly drop you off.
My handsome boy. Thank you. This is your big car.
Yeah.
That is very good.
Mira, I'll
Thank you.
catch you later.
My Oyibo boy. Thank you. Hey. Okay, Mama Mira.
Is he mad?
Hey, Mira. Mirabelle,
Mommy.
you are back home early today again. Hey, wait. Who was that young man that dropped you off now?
Mommy, that was my friend Jaden.
Jaden?
Yes, Mommy.
From where?
Mommy, you don't remember Jaden, the young man that came here to apologize to me the other day?
The one you slapped and sent away?
Yes, Mommy, that was him. We're good friends now.
Are you serious?
Yes, Mommy. He actually proved to be not as mean as I thought he was. He's even the reason I've been selling faster than usual.
It's good that both of you have resolved your issue. But what about his mother?
Mommy, I don't care about his mother. Jaden and I are friends right now, and I'm happy with that.
Mirabelle.
Yes, Mommy.
I don't want you to get into any trouble.
Mommy, I won't get into trouble. Jaden is a nice guy.
Okay.
I bought seafood for you.
Really?
Yes, Mommy.
Seafood? Wow. Thank you, my love. It's been long I had to.
I know now. Oh yeah, now let's go inside and let me dish for you.
Okay, let's go.
Auntie Maria!
How have you been?
You are really good. I've missed you.
I've been taking good care of him. He's a big boy now.
Is that why you don't ask after me?
Auntie, I do know. I always ask my mom about you.
I was beginning to think you're forgetting me.
Me? I can't forget you, Auntie. I can't.
Jaden, I've been praying for you. And the Lord has been speaking to me about your soul.
Oh, Auntie, please don't start. I'm not ready to start another 7-day fasting.
It's not about just fasting. Have you been praying?
Yes, Auntie, I pray. I pray every day.
When you pray, do you speak in tongues? Do you let the Holy Spirit fill you up?
Oh, Auntie.
You see, this one, he has forgotten everything you taught him.
Is that true? Jaden, you need to be prayerful.
Auntie.
You need to be spiritually ready to fight your enemies.
I'm praying.
Enemies are everywhere.
Auntie,
you know.
I pray. I'm fine, honestly.
I'm not saying you're not fine. I'm not saying you're not. See, we have a church program next week for 3 days. I want you to come. Our pastor said we will be blessed.
Who are you talking to? This one?
Yes, now.
This one does not have time to attend any program. What he does every day is that he goes out every single day.
Is that true?
Please just help me talk to him.
Auntie, it's not like I'm going to do anything bad or illegal. I just go to see my friends.
And when I ask him who these friends are, he refuses to tell me.
Those your friends, do they know Jesus? Do they know the master?
Auntie, please, I'm tired. I need to go and eat. I'm famished.
You are famished. Every time, food. See, if you are in a close relationship with God, you won't have to eat. You will never go hungry.
Maria?
Yes, now.
I don't know this one you're saying. No?
Auntie, it's true. You can try it and see.
Auntie, which part of the Bible says it?
It doesn't have to be.
Please, come, let's...
Take
Come, before you tell my son not to eat physical food again,
Auntie, you can
you should tell my son not to be eating again. Please come and be going.
The Bible will fill him up. The Bible will fill him up. Auntie, let me pray for you.
Jesus.
Why are you shouting like a goat in labor? Do I look that scary?
What are you doing in my room, Mom?
I have been sitting here, patiently waiting to hear what you withdrew 200,000 naira for.
Mom, is that why you scared me like that? I used it.
I'm not blind, I know you used it. The question is, what for?
I can't even believe you're still monitoring my bank account.
Oh yes, I still do. And that's not about to stop anytime soon. What did you use the money for?
I had an emergency. I had to help a friend out.
Jaden.
What's Mom?
You started lying to your mother.
I'm trying to start. I'm not.
Which of your friends did you give the 200,000 to? Is it Chike?
No.
Is it Jack? Because I'm about to call them to find out.
No, Mommy, you don't know this one.
Have you started doing drugs?
No, of course not.
How else can I explain it? Huh? You started going out unnecessarily, and now you're spending huge amounts of money. What else could it be?
It was just very urgent, Mommy. Mom, what are you doing?
Checking to see
Mom,
if there are drugs on your body.
what are you doing, Mom? You see, there's nothing.
Take off your clothes.
You want me to go naked?
What is it on your body that I've not seen before?
Mommy, I'm a grown man. I can't do that.
I'm the one that gave birth to you. What are you hiding?
Mommy, I assure you that I'm not doing anything bad. I won't do that to myself. I won't do that to you. And most of all, Mommy, I won't do that to Daddy. I can't disrespect him like that. Yeah, so calm down, relax. You raised a good child. Yeah? I won't do you like that, okay, Mommy? Relax, Mommy.
Looks like never, but we are. We thought we couldn't, but we made it. If love is a crime, then I'm scared we can't be in forever. It looks like never, but we are. We thought we couldn't, but we made it. If love is a crime, then I'm scared we can't be in forever. This love is a miracle. This love is a miracle. We stuck together. This love is a miracle. This love is a miracle. We stuck forever. It looks like never, but we are. We thought we couldn't, but we made it. If love is crying, then I'm scared we're gonna be in forever. looks like never, but we are. We thought we couldn't make it, but I'm scared we'll be forever. I'm scared we're gonna be in forever. This love is a miracle. This love is a miracle. We're stuck forever. Oh, we're stuck forever. Oh, we're stuck forever. We're stuck forever. Waiting
Hello.
forever.
Yes, mom.
This love is a
Okay.
miracle.
No, mommy, I'm full, okay? Yes, mommy. But don't worry, I'll join you tomorrow morning, okay?
Jaden,
Yes, mom.
sit down.
Okay.
Who is she?
Who?
The girl you've been hanging out with. Maria told me that she saw you two together.
Sorry I didn't tell you earlier, mommy.
I am more concerned about the fact that Maria said she looks like a common street girl.
Auntie Maria said that. Why would she do that? I mean, Mira is a beautiful young lady.
Mira. Bring her to me. Well, since she has the power to change you, then I should meet her.
Mommy, I haven't changed at all. I'm still the same.
I know the son I gave birth to. You hardly go out, but all of a sudden you're going out every day, spending a lot of money. I should have known that there was a girl involved.
Mom, it's not that I don't want to bring her.
Bring her to me or I'll stop you from seeing her.
Welcome, Daddy.
Where is your mother?
She went to Mama Chinedu's house to get something.
At least there's a new head mistress to school me. You know, you're always reading, very tired. When do you rest?
I find time to rest, Daddy.
My beautiful daughter. You are into that halfway.
Oh, Daddy, please.
I know. You people. You're having something together. Keep it up. See, he's rich. Rich. He has money. He's what you need.
Daddy, are you only saying I need him because he's rich? Or is money the only thing you're concerned about?
My dear, money. Money is everything. That boy reeks of $100 bill. I hope I've tickled you. Hold him tight.
All right, Daddy, I've heard you.
Okay, my daughter.
I've heard you, Daddy.
Help me.
I heard you.
Where do I go now?
I think you want to have a bath. Daddy! Jaden, you want me to meet your mom?
Yes. Is there something wrong with that?
Jaden, I don't think we're ready for that.
Why not?
Have you forgotten how we met? How I met your mom? Jaden, it's too early for this. I really don't think we should.
Mira, we've been together for a little while now, so I don't think it's too early. Yeah, I remember how you guys met, and trust me, my mom is not always like that. She was probably in a bad mood or something.
Jaden, listen, I really appreciate what you're trying to do. I really do. But I really think it's too early for this. Can you just drop it?
Mira, I'm not giving up on this, because I know my mom will get to love you once she knows you, and I would stop at nothing to make sure that happens. Plus, think about it, what kind of relationship do we want to build if our parents are not going to be involved?
I guess you have a point there.
You see, I mean, you'll get to meet her eventually, so why don't we just clear it out right now?
Jaden, I'm kind of scared.
You don't need to be scared. Trust me, my mom is not a bad person, and I'll be right there by your side. So please.
Okay.
See, that's my girl. Thank you. You know what? Why don't we go out and get something to eat?
No.
I insist. Let's go out, okay?
Alright.
Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Mom, Mira and I were just...
I'd like to get to know you better. What do you do?
I'm a student, ma'am.
And your parents? What do they do?
They're into business, ma'am.
What business?
My dad sells local drinks. And my mom sells snacks.
If I wanted to be rude, I would say my son deserves better than the daughter of a snack seller.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't want to be rude, so I won't say it. By the way, you look familiar. Have we met before?
Yes, actually. We met a few weeks back. Jaden and you were driving and...
What? That was you? What are you doing here? How did you find my son?
Mommy, actually, I'm the one that found.
This is preposterous. You brought a street hawker to my house as your girlfriend?
Mommy, she's an amazing lady.
No wonder this place was smelling of poverty when I walked in.
Mommy.
And you sat on my chair. Do you know those people carry lice and bed bugs all around the place?
Mom, calm down, Mom.
For goodness sake, now I have to fumigate this house.
What you have done?
Just go, let her go.
Mira!
Huh? Look at the kind of... What is this? Oh my goodness.
Mira! Please, wait. Listen to me, I'm totally sorry for what she did. My mom was totally out
Your
of...
mom hates me.
Yes, and it's because she doesn't know you, and I'm sure she would...
You're sure she what? Are you still trying to make excuses for her?
No, that's not it.
She literally insulted me and humiliated me right in front of you. So what are you saying?
Maybe you shouldn't have told her you were the girl from weeks ago.
Oh, so this is my fault. Abi, you're saying I should have lied to her?
No, that's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying, perhaps we should have worked harder to make this work. Please, I'm sorry.
I think she's right, Jaden. I don't think we're meant to be together.
You're right, don't say that. Please, I'm sorry.
Listen, Jaden, you're rich and all. You deserve someone on your level. Just leave me alone.
We'll work on this, Mira, please.
Energy! Energy! Scrub it! Scrub it! Put your back into it! Energy!
Mom, what's all of this about?
Folake, that's okay.
Mommy, you're so unbelievable. She has gone.
Good riddance.
Mommy, how could you do that? She doesn't deserve that.
She's not good enough for you. She is poor and uneducated. You deserve high class, not some street girl.
Oh my God, Mommy, stop calling her a street girl. She's not just that. She's a smart, intelligent, kind lady, and she's in school. How could you judge her without even getting to know her?
Are you yelling at me because of that thing? Have you lost it? Or are you under a spell?
You know what? You're saying all these things, right, because she's poor. When you have forgotten that you were also poor when you met Dad. He told me the whole story. You were so poor you couldn't even feed it.
How dare you? How dare you talk about my past?
You can slap me and do all you want, but one thing that I know for sure is I love her, Mommy. Yes, I love her.
Love. Oh. She has bewitched you, right? She has spread her legs for you. And you entered. You entered! My son has eaten the forbidden fruit. She opened her thighs of poverty. You entered and now you're stuck.
You like those at the ends.
Give me your time.
That's how you look good.
I think I
You go manage. Thank you. Wait. I want to give you change.
Mama, don't worry.
No.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you. Mira, welcome. How did your outing go? What happened? Talk to me, Mira. Is it cheating? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hmm? It's okay.
Mira.
Welcome, Daddy.
Mira, my darling. Before I ask you what is wrong, I want to sing for you. Jollof rice hot, jollof rice cold, jollof rice in the pot 9 days old. Some like it hot, some like it cold, some like it in the pot 9 days old. I didn't even scratch the surface of making you happy. It's okay. Tell me, what is the problem? Talk to me.
Nothing, Daddy.
My darling. I know I cannot pay bills, but I can give good advice. Talk to me.
It's Jaden.
Oh, my future son-in-law! What is the problem?
Daddy, this is very serious.
Okay, talk to me.
Let's just say I don't think his mom likes me for him.
Nobody can come between us and our helper.
Daddy, I've told you to stop calling him our helper now.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I had to end things with Jaden.
That's not possible. Not so fast. My darling. Look, my darling. If she really wants you to break up with Jaden, they must pay you off.
Daddy.
Yes, my darling. See these rich people? They don't do anything for free. If they are coming together, you are paying. If they are breaking up, you are paying. So, they should pay you 10 million. Sorry. Sorry, I didn't want to upset you. I'm just saying, we need the money. Okay, I must have defecated in the church. Let me go outside and take some fresh air. Probably do the needful.
My own son raised his voice at me. He would have beaten me up if he could.
You don't mean it? Not because of that girl?
I am telling you, that girl has given him the forbidden fruit.
But what's it about this girl? I mean, there are other beautiful and classy ladies out there, so why her?
Exactly. Exactly what I told my son. But he refused to listen to me. That girl has her claws deep into him.
Auntie, you know that day I saw that girl with him? The Holy Spirit ministered to me that girl is not ordinary. That girl gets Ogbanje. She's possessed.
I said it. I said it. This girl has done something to my son.
You know all these poor and wretched people now. They can be very diabolical. Since they don't have money, they don't have connection. They try so hard to control the people that do. Yes, so.
You are right. Because this love is not ordinary.
At all.
That girl has bewitched my son.
Auntie, I have an idea. Let's organize a deliverance session for him.
A deliverance session?
Yes. It is needed. We need to free him from her. We need to break and set him free from her clutches. It is needed though, Auntie.
Yeah, but how do we go about it? Jaden won't go anywhere with us.
Auntie, leave that to us. I know the right people to call. By the time they are done with Jaden, you won't even remember her name. Trust me on this. Because it's getting too much, because of just one girl. She's not even fine. Ha. Think about it, Auntie. It's not normal.
Ọba tí ń gbẹ́kún aládùúrà mo ti dé. Ọba tí ń gbẹ́kún aládùúrà mo ti dé o. Gbọ́rọ̀ mi ro. Gbèjà mi já. Má jẹ́ ń ṣe lásán. Má jẹ́ ń ṣe lásán. Má jẹ́ ń ṣe lásán. Torí Gamson. Torí Matson. Kúyà sọ́mi ẹ̀dùnkẹ́ mẹ́mọ́. Kúyà sọ́mi ẹ̀dùnkẹ́ mẹ́mọ́. Gamson. Kúyà sọ́mi ẹ̀dùnkẹ́ mẹ́mọ́. Torí Gamson. What's
going on here?
These are prayer warriors. They came to pray for you.
Yes. What for?
Just come. Let them pray now. Come.
pray for you.
I don't understand.
I'm here to pray for you.
I don't understand. What is
I can smell poverty.
Yes. No.
Poverty.
No, we are not here to pray for poverty. It's the spirit of love spell, love potion.
Love?
Love potion. There's
So why am I
witchcraft.
smelling poverty?
It's not poor.
I can see it.
Love potion.
Kneel down.
Just
Kneel down. Kneel down. I can see it. Every spirit of poverty. Love portion.
Love potion.
I
Love
can smell
potion.
it around me. Ja. Power of Take it easy.
Sorry. But you caused this, you know.
How? Was I the one that called those prayer warriors?
Well, if you hadn't started associating with a witch, I wouldn't have had to call them in the first place.
Mommy Mira is... Ouch, Mommy Mira is not a witch.
Don't worry, you are now free from her clutches.
Ouch, God, my hand. I'm sure Auntie Maria is the one that caused this thing, right? If I see her, I'm going to break her leg.
Why will you say such about your cousin?
Ouch!
Sorry.
Can't you see what she has caused?
Sorry, you'll be fine soon.
God, you guys are just stressing me, like, for nothing. I agree Mira is poor, but she didn't do anything to me.
Don't worry, you are free from her now, Everything has left her. By the stripes you are healed.
Mommy, ouch!
Sorry.
Jaden, whatever it is you came to say, please say it. I don't want my mom to find you here. I don't want anyone to find you here.
Mira, I'm sorry for how my mom treated you. What she did was wrong, but you can't keep punishing me for her own wrong.
Listen, Jaden, there can't be an us without your mother's approval. And I don't think she's ever going to give it.
I don't care about her anymore. We shouldn't. I just want to be with you, and I don't care whether she gives me her permission or not.
Jaden, that's insane.
I know, but these past few days have been hell for me. Not being able to talk to you has driven me crazy.
It hasn't been easy for me too, Jaden. But...
We don't have to worry about her. Our love is stronger than that. But we'll find a way around it, okay? Trust me. Okay? We'll work it out, okay? So, I don't know how, but we'll make it.
I'm tired of all this wahala. Oh, why? No, this madam will not let me rest.
Mommy, what
is
happened
it?
now? What happened? Did anything happen to Daddy? Did you enter a fight?
If something had even happened to your father, it would have been better. Is it not Madam Felicia? Anytime she set her eyes on me, fight, trouble, embarrass me everywhere. How because your father collected money from her husband? Why? Am I the one that collected the money? Your father will just be going about collecting money from people's husband. And whenever their wives see me, it is me that will be suffering for it. What is it? He will not even kill me. God forbid.
Okay, so, like, how much are we talking about? How much did he borrow? Yeah?
He collected 500,000 from the woman's husband.
I'll try and see what I can do, okay?
What did you say?
I'll try and send the money to Mora. Yeah. Hey. So how was your day?
Not bad. And yours?
It was good. In lectures?
They went well.
Okay, that's nice. Hope the woman from yesterday didn't disturb you today.
No, she didn't.
Okay, better, because I sent her the money.
Oh my God, Jaden. Thank you so much. But I told you to leave it.
Seeing your mom complain bitterly really touched me. I've never seen her that way before. And I don't want her to go through that embarrassment again.
Jaden, I don't even know what to say to you anymore. The other day you sent me 200k for my school practicals.
You don't have to say anything, my love, okay? I'll do anything for you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my love.
Oh, Mom doesn't know yet, so let me go tell her and I'll call you back.
No issues, okay? I'll talk to you later.
Alright, bye.
Jaden! Where's Jaden? Jaden! Jaden!
What's wrong?
500,000 naira. 500,000 naira!
Dad, Mommy, I was going to tell you about it.
You went into my room, took my debit card, and used it to withdraw money. The audacity!
I didn't steal it. I just wanted...
Enough of all that rubbish! I don't even have any problem with the amount. It's the fact that you stole from me. And I'm very sure that you use it for nothing else than that witch of a girlfriend.
Mommy, that was all me. You don't have to bring her into this.
What power does she have over you? To make you steal from your own mother?
Mommy, it was urgent. I'm sorry.
I think I've been too lenient. I've been too lenient on that girl. It's about time I took action.
Mommy, please calm down. Mommy, please calm down.
I know exactly.
Mommy, please calm down. Mommy, please calm down.
Hey, Mimi, yeah, I trust you. Just say very well today.
Yes, now.
I don't trust you.
You know I've been selling out.
The fuck.
You! Mira! Come here! What is good about the money? Huh? What is good about the money? What stupid question are you asking me? You're trying to pretend like you don't know. You don't know that my son has been the one bringing money to feed both of you. Stealing from me to feed you.
Mira, what is she talking about?
What stupid question is this? You've been influencing him to steal from me and give to you and your wretched mother, right?
No, Jimmy is not a thief. He will never steal from me.
Oh, okay, you're waiting for details. Has he not been showering you with money? Where do you think the money came from? Huh? I don't blame you. I'm here banding words with two low lives because my son refused to listen. Arrest them, they are criminals. Enough! Arrest them!
Let's go.
Jesus Christ! Oh my God! Mira! Oh my God! Take this! What are you doing there? Get up! Take them! Take them! Why? Take them! What rubbish is this? Put them into the car! Mimi! Put them into the car! Oh.
Mommy, please, I'm begging you. Please stop this. Please call the police to release Mira and her mom. They didn't do anything wrong.
I will do no such thing. They will remain there as long as I deem it necessary. Those people are a bad influence on you. They have started turning you against me.
Mommy, that's not true. Mira and her mom are good people. They didn't do anything. They didn't ask me to steal the money even.
I don't care. I know what's best for you, and that's exactly what I'm doing.
Mom didn't do anything wrong. They don't deserve to be locked up like criminals.
I don't care.
Please, I'm begging you.
Jaden, I'm also begging you. Forget about those people.
Please.
Jaden, please.
Mommy, I'm begging you with everything.
Jaden, I'm begging you with everything.
God, Mommy, please ask them to be released. They don't deserve it.
Jaden, please forget about them. They don't deserve you.
Mommy, why are you doing this thing? Please stop it.
Folake!
Mommy,
get me a glass of juice.
Mommy, please. I'm sorry for what I did. Please, release them. Sir, I'm telling you, my mom has gone crazy with the whole situation at hand.
Jaden, what you did was wrong as well. I mean, stealing from your own mother. Come on, man.
I was going to tell her about the money. I knew she wouldn't give me even if I had asked nicely.
However you want to put it, you're still wrong. You shouldn't have.
I know, sir. And I'm admitting I shouldn't have taken the money without her consent. But she shouldn't have to take it out on those innocent people like this.
So what do you want me to do now?
Sir, please, I want you to come and talk to her. You know you are a family lawyer. You should be able to come and change her mind.
I don't know. You know how your mother can be.
I know, sir, and that's why I'm begging you. But I don't want Mira and her mom to remain in the police custody any longer. Please.
I'm currently out with my family. Can we make it tomorrow?
Sir, I'm begging you, please. I want you to come. Please, try and make it today. Please. I'm begging you, sir.
Okay.
Try.
Is this the man you said is waiting for me? Yes? Who are you and how can I help you?
Good day, man. Martins.
You reek of alcohol. What do you want?
Madam, the police doesn't want to grant my wife and daughter bail because of you. Please, have mercy on them.
You must be stupid. Imagine the effrontery to come here and start telling me about your wretched wife and daughter. Huh? Are you okay? Do you know who I am?
Mera told me you're very hard. I don't see any exaggeration here.
Honestly, if I'd known what a useless father she had, I would have arrested you alongside them.
Madam, your son and my daughter are in love. There's nothing you can do about it.
Good. Really? The only reason why I will not call the police to pick you up is because I know they won't want to soil their hands on a dirty drunk like you.
Please.
Just imagine. Look at the father of the girl that my son is dating.
Madam, there is no need for insults now.
My friend, if I close my eyes and open them and you're still here.
I'll go, please. Please release my daughter and my wife, please. I'm begging you, please. Please.
I will do no such thing. You should be ashamed of yourself. If you were man enough and you were there for them, would all this have happened? Huh? Would they have been leeching on my son to give them money to feed? Just look at you. Instead of working hard for your family, you're lazing around, drinking and falling all over the place. Who knows if you didn't fall into a gutter before coming here? My friend, better get out of here. I don't ever want to see him here again.
Oga, you heard?
Rubbish.
You will see.
I don't see why you are here, Mr. Gabriel. I've already handled the situation.
I know, madam. I know you have everything under control. But I strongly advise you to reconsider your decision. You can't keep Mira and her mother locked up for long.
I can and I will keep them locked up for as long as I want.
Then what? According to your son, they are innocent.
Don't mind this boy. Oh. What innocence? Huh? Those people have been manipulating him for their selfish gains.
I understand your concerns, madam. But punishing them like this is not the answer. They are poor people. They cannot defend themselves. And people will see that you're oppressing them because you're rich. I feel we can just...
If I let them go, they will go back to manipulating my son. And who knows what they'll get him to do next time.
I understand your fears, Mrs. Seth. Maybe we can find a compromise. We can get Mira and the mother to sign an undertaking. Never to allow Jaden go near them again.
I think I like the sound of that.
No, we can't do that. No.
Jaden, I know you don't like this. But if you want Mira and her mother to be free, then this is the way out.
Okay, barrister, let's do it.
Thank you for being considerate, madam. Just relax, everything will be fine. Let's just go with what Mama said, yeah?
I heard you had been released from the station, so I came to check up and apologize for everything. It was never my intention.
I don't have anything against you, child. But your mother is a monster. See, I don't want to have anything to do with your family again. Please, leave and never come back again. Okay? Please, I beg you in the name of God. Just go. Mira, I beg you, let him go.
Mira.
Listen, Jaden, I don't appreciate what you did. I understand that you stole the money to help us, but if you didn't have it, you shouldn't have. We are decent people and we would never cheat or steal from anyone to get by.
I know stealing the money was never my intention. I was going to explain things to her, but she beat me to it. And honestly, I didn't even think she would react like that. Oh, please, I'm very sorry.
Jaden, it's too late for sorry right now.
Mira, you don't mean
You heard
that.
my mom. Please just leave.
You don't mean that, do you?
I mean it, Jaden. I've signed an undertaking and we're really done now. So please just go.
Looks like never, but we are. We thought we couldn't, but we made it. If love is a crime, then I'm scared we can't be in forever. It looks like never, but we are. We thought we couldn't, but we made it. If love is a crime, then I'm scared we're gonna be in forever. This love is a miracle.
My sister,
This love is a
Jaden is not the person you know again. No? Jaden has totally changed. He stays out all day. He lies. He steals. I mean it. He has done a 360 since he started moving around with that girl. Please, I'm tired of talking. Help me talk to him. He listens to you. Huh? I know that if he comes abroad, at least away from all these influences, he will make a turn for the better. At least he'll focus on his education. Please talk to him. Thank you so much.
Looks like never, but we are. We thought we couldn't, but we made it. If love is a crime, then I'm scared we're gonna be in forever. It looks like never, but we are. We thought we couldn't, but we made it. If love is a crime, then I'm scared we're gonna be in forever. This love is a miracle.
Hello, Auntie Vicky.
This love is a miracle.
Yes, Auntie, I'm fine. How you doing?
Everything is great. So your mom called me earlier and told me about what has been going on with you lately, and honestly, I'm worried.
Auntie, you know how my mom is. She's just being overly
Okay,
dramatic.
maybe you're right. But she sounded really concerned, and trust me, you have so much potential, okay? Why don't you want to come here and further your education?
Auntie, you know I've been to America and it's great and all, but anytime I'm here, I feel closer to Dad even though he's no more.
I understand, okay? But even your father wanted this for you before he passed. To get away from all the troubles and distraction and just focus on your future, Jaden.
I am so proud of you, son, for taking this decision to study abroad. So many opportunities will be opened up to you.
That's true. I'm very happy for you. And I'm very sure that you're going to fit in perfectly.
Of course he will fit in. My son is smart. Look at him, he already looks like them.
Also, I want you to be very careful. Don't associate yourself with bad guys. You hear me? And also remember the son of who you are. Most importantly, remember that you are the son of Zion. And you carry the Holy Spirit in you. Be very prayerful, yes. Auntie.
And don't even get me started on the girls. You know, you have to pick somebody with ambition. Someone who will make you richer and richer.
That's very correct, Auntie. That's true. Make sure you pick someone with class and beauty. Both inner and outer beauty. Not some bro girls that will bring you down. Do you understand me? Even the Bible says we should not be unequally yoked. You hear me?
I trust my son. He will go for Bill Gates' daughter. Or what's that one again? Mark something.
Mark Zuckerberg.
I know that you're going to make us proud.
Of course, he will.
Looks like never, but we are. We thought we couldn't, but we made it. If love is a crime, then I'm scared we're gonna be in forever. It looks like never, but we are. We thought we couldn't, but we made it. If love is a crime, then I'm scared we're gonna be in forever. This love is a miracle. This love is a miracle. We stuck together. This love is a miracle. This love is a miracle. We stuck forever. It looks like never, but we are.
Mira! Mira! I thought you were ready to go. Mira, what's wrong? Mira.
He's leaving the country today, Mommy.
Oh, how did you know?
He sent me a message last night.
I'm so sorry, my dear. You people have to end up like this. Because I know you really liked him so much.
Mommy, I know we did the whole signing thing, but I really want to see him, even if it's just one more time. Just one more time, Mommy.
Oh dear.
Mommy, please, I just want to see him and tell him I love him and hug him, even if it's just one more time.
I'm in support. My dear, go. Yes, go. I'm in support.
Mommy.
Yes. Be fast. Be fast.
Jaden!
Yes? It's really fine.
I'm here to see Jaden, please.
Jaden.
Yes, yes.
You just drive out now. You not see him.
Eh? What, are you trying to say I just missed him?
I saw a bill. He never reach 5 minutes now. Your mama drive and come out the go airport. So, Obodo Ibo, away.
No.
You know, it be bad belly. No one make you.
No! No!
Madam.
Please.
I beg.
Please.
Now estate you do to avoid casualty. I beg.
Please. I need to talk to him, please.
You go feel run. In the airport, don't they go by now? Self, you suppose don't they on top of this thing. Madam, I beg stand up. Now estate you do. I beg. No. But you go feel run. You know to airport now. No, before you go down. Sorry, madam. Sorry. Look this gate well because.
Oh my God. Hello?
Yes, Falake.
Mom was involved in a car accident earlier today.
What? My mom? Is she okay?
Yes, her condition is quite serious, but I'm just coming back from the hospital and they told me I can't see her.
Oh my God, have you called Auntie Maria?
Yes, I have. She's on her way to the hospital as we speak.
Okay, I'll call her to get more updates. Thank you for the information.
Okay, no problem.
God, please let her be okay. Don't let anything happen to her. God, please. Doctor, please. I'm here to see a patient.
Calm down. I'm
Okay.
Dr. Mira. How may I help you? Who are you looking for?
I'm here to see Mrs. Zet. I was just called and I don't know.
Mrs. Seth suffered severe injuries in an accident.
Oh my God. How is she, doctor?
I'm going to be honest. She's in very critical condition.
Oh God, Jesus. God, Jesus.
Calm down. I'm going to do everything in my power to save her life.
Doctor, please, I'm begging you. Please do everything you can to save her. She's all I have in this world.
Calm down, I will.
Can I see her at least,
No,
please?
no.
Please, I have to.
No, you can't. You
I
have
need
to wait
to
till she can't see anybody right now, alright?
Okay.
So please, let's just wait
Doctor,
till the
please
ward.
just help
I will
me,
tell you
please.
everything
She's
you
all
need
I
to
have
know.
in this
I know,
world,
I
please,
understand.
doctor.
I understand.
Auntie, I'm very happy to see that you're recovering. I've been praying and fasting for you non-stop.
Thank you so much. That means so much to me.
Auntie, God has been very faithful. In fact, He blessed you with a very good doctor. She has been doing all that she could to help you. In fact, there are days that she won't even go home. She'll sleep in her office so that she can be there to attend to you. God will bless her. God will bless her.
You know, things have been hazy for a long time, so I never really, I've not been officially introduced to her, so I told the nurse that I want to meet her. She should be here any minute now.
All right. Have you spoken with Jaden?
I have.
He has been very worried. We all have been very worried.
He was out of his mind.
Mm.
He'll be back soon.
Hello, Mrs. Seth. I'm Dr. Mira, your attending physician. You sent for me.
I recognize your voice from when I was sick. Thank you very much, doctor. I just wanted to see you and thank you for taking care of me. I'm so grateful. Thank you. You look familiar. Have we met before?
Mrs. Seth, you couldn't have forgotten my face. Just 4 years ago, I was your worst enemy. And my crime, being poor and in love with your son.
Mira?
Yes, that was me. But honestly, there's no need to thank me. I was just doing my job. But you look like you're in great health and in good condition, so you should be discharged by tomorrow. But please, in the future, take care when you're driving. Alright? It's great seeing you again, Mrs. Seth. Take care.
Mrs. Seth, how did you find my home?
I asked some of your colleagues at the hospital.
I see. Why are you here?
I haven't been able to sleep. Even after being discharged from the hospital. The images keep playing over and over in my head. I keep seeing everything I did to you and your mother. How mean I was. The cruelty I meted out on you. I can't even... And then you had a chance to pay me back in my own coin, but you did the opposite. You took care of me like I was your own mother. You fought to save my life. You did the opposite of what anyone would have expected in such a situation. Who knows, you could have even slipped something into my injection or my drip, but you didn't. I feel so ashamed of myself. I can't even look myself in the mirror. I know my apology might not mean much to you now after so many years, but if I could turn back the hands of time, God knows I would do things very differently.
I forgive you. God has been too good to us for us to hold grudges. Even before I started treating you, I forgive you.
Madam, you raised a wonderful daughter.
Thank you.
I'll be hosting a sort of Thanksgiving get-together at my place on Saturday. Just a few family and friends, and I really want you to come. Please, if you want to prove to me that you don't hold any grudges, I'd love to have you. Both of you. I'll be honored. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Oh. You're looking very good.
Thank you.
I hope you're healing well.
Yes.
Yeah, awesome.
Okay. I know it's about time we moved over to the dining, but I have a few words to say. For making me know what it feels like to be loved and cared for. I mean, Vicky, my sister came all the way from the US to thank God with me today. A few weeks ago, I was fighting for my life in a hospital bed. And God, in His infinite mercy, saw it fit to give me a second chance, using this beautiful doctor here. I want to use this opportunity to express my deepest gratitude to God for this new chance to experience His beauty this side of life. And to all of you, for making me know what it feels like to be loved and cared for. Mira, I took something from you, something precious, 4 years ago. I know it might be late, but I want to give it back to you. Jaden, you can come out now.
Oh my god, you look amazing.
Thank you.
I've missed
I've
so
missed you. I've missed you. I've missed you.
Oh my god.
You look so good.
Thank you so much. You haven't changed yourself. How have you been?
I've been good.
God.
Oh my goodness.
Looks like never, but we are. We thought we couldn't, but we made it. If love is a crime, then I'm scared we can't be in forever. It looks like never, but we are. We thought we couldn't, but we made it. If love is a crime, then I'm scared we can't be in forever. This love is a miracle. This love is a miracle. We stuck together. This love is a miracle. This love is a miracle. We stuck forever. It looks like never, but we are. We thought we couldn't, but we made it. If love is a crime, then I'm scared we're gonna be in forever. It looks like never, but we are. We thought we couldn't make it. Then I'm scared we're gonna be in forever.